Welcome back to Wildlife Hotel. My name's Eric.
I'm Geoffrey.
And we're at the California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco's Golden Gate Park.
Well, on the roof of it anyway. The living roof.
Is that what's behind us?
Yeah.
Whoa.
The roof is alive.
So as cool as this living roof is, there's a lot to see here.
So let's go downstairs where there's even more cool science.
The Academy of Sciences is almost entirely indoors, and they managed to fit an aquarium, a rainforest exhibit, a natural history museum, a planetarium, and so much more.
You forgot about Claude, the albino alligator.
Who could forget Claude? Claude just deserves his own section of this video.
Claude's an albino alligator. He's 28 years old, and he's lived in the Academy of Sciences Museum since 2008. He's one of only a few dozen albino alligators in the world, all of which live in captivity, and he has a special place in our hearts.
Pretty big. Millions of people come from all over the world to see Claude, and he even responds to his own name.
They treat him like royalty here, and he even gets his very own heated rock right in the middle of his swamp-themed enclosure, surrounded by giant snapping turtles and freshwater fish, his closest friends and allies.
A true king of the swamp. Unfortunately, we have to move on.
Can't we just live here with Claude?
If only. I'm afraid we have a whole video to shoot.
Goodbye, Claude. I think the small one is the baby.
So I'm usually not a fan of taxidermy, but the craftsmanship and just the sheer time it must have taken to get these all together and standing even, it's pretty impressive.
Starting to learn an appreciation for taxidermy. We're gonna have you skinning ducks in no time.
Absolutely not.
What is it?
It's a rainforest.
In a dome?
Inside.
A bubble forest?
Something like that.
Wow. Are those parrots? Here we see an American dad doing the courtship dance.
So what do I do? Is it scanning me? Am I doing it?
I think so. Now you're dancer too.
Oh, I get it. I'm doing it. What's my score? Did I get high score? Congratulations, you're an animal.
Congratulations. You're an animal. How did you enjoy Frisky Bird DDR?
There wasn't enough feedback as to whether or not I was doing well. There wasn't a score.
But do you feel like you could attract a bird for smooches now?
I do.
Do it. But I want to see the bear move. Move the bear.
I want to see the bear move too.
How do I do the bear? Yeah, there we go. The fish do that.
Where'd my fish go? Wait,
the bear didn't get a fish.
The bear didn't get a fish. What's
I hate this. I hate that the bear didn't get a fish.
Come on.
Maybe this time he will.
Bear.
Busted.
This bear deserves better.
I mean, that's why he has that face. It's because he didn't get a fish. That's that enlarged model. Don't scare me like that.
I have seen moths pretty close to that size.
Moths get big, but I don't need them to get that big. I'm okay. Oh, it moved.
Oh.
Gotta get out of here.
What moved it?
You're supposed to ride him.
No.
If I know anything about giant tortoises, it's that you ride them.
I would probably fit just fine, but I don't want to get kicked out. Also, this is a life-size statue of a giant tortoise. Yeah.
I bet one. Lego roof. I mean, for all you Lego files out there.
We were right up there not too long ago.
We were right there. That's where we did our intro. You ever wondered what the top of an aquarium looks like? Then you just want to put your finger in the middle?
Now, if we're gonna go to the rainforest, we're gonna need a backpack. Can you find the backpack?
Let's go find Dora. Cave dwellers. Oh, spooky. Bats. Whoa. Underwater plants in my rainforest? It's more likely than you think. Which one's your friend?
The snail, clearly. He's
The
right
snail?
there. He's hanging out. Did it work?
No, not really.
Oh, but there's also this snail too.
Oh,
Oh, now I have to pick my best friend?
yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
My best friend's the big black one
Where?
with the red tail.
I.
Back there, look at him go. He's gonna
Oh,
kick
wow.
that one in the face with his face. I call him face kicker.
I can't choose between either of you. I'm so sorry.
Time to
We'll
move
all
on
have to be best friends.
forever. Look, a frog nursery. Do you see a frog?
I see many.
Where?
You don't see him?
Where's the frog? Is it right there?
How many frogs do you see? Let us know in the comments below.
Bugs, man.
Oh, wow. Look at this one.
What's he doing?
I mean, there's too much forest to see the floor.
It's a leaf.
Can't see the forest through the trees, am I right?
Them birds be loud.
These butterflies live such busy lives.
They got a lot to do.
Hey, look, I found E40.
Where? Oh, yeah.
He's right there. 40 water himself.
Got some baleen.
I once did a project on whales in elementary school or middle school, I forget. We were supposed to look up whether or not the whale we were researching was baleen or a toothed whale. That was my first experience of learning that the internet can lie to you.
Wow.
They ripped that Band-Aid for me.
That's pretty rough.
I learned it young, you know?
Where'd they go?
They're right there, they're tiny.
And his friend. Dick Dicks. What up, my Dick Dicks? Tell me your thoughts on Dick Dicks.
I'm sad.
Sad about what? Look how much fun they're having. In the brush with all those thorns doing Dick Dick stuff.
I'm sad because they're not alive anymore.
These Dick Dicks bring me great joy. Taxidermy animals in a museum.
I'm still sad.
Dogs.
Dogs.
These dogs are dead. No museum is complete without a dinosaur.
Thank you so much for joining us today at the California Academy of Sciences. David Diggs was narrating in the planetarium. Not himself, but a recording of him. His calming voice kind of put me to sleep.
He's so soothing.
It was good. It was a good program.
It was.
I've never quite seen a planetarium program like that. The one I've been in is more of like a traditional one, like that has the mechanical lights that
Yeah.
kind of pop up.
Like a laser light show.
Yeah, but this was like a big giant dome that had like, it was almost a 3D effect when you were watching it. It's really cool.
David Diggs is always a good time. We couldn't film in there, but know that if you come in the next few months, David Diggs can also put you to sleep talking about exoplanets and aliens.
It was a really good show. I really enjoyed the planetarium.
I mean, I enjoyed the entire Academy of Sciences. And if you liked it too, you can let us know by scrolling down and clicking that like button. Subscribe's right next to it. Don't know what the bell does, but why don't you find out?
I mean, you're clicking two things. Why not click a third one?
Yeah, have you ever heard of the rule of threes?
It's a good rule to live by.
We got plenty of other videos with plenty of other adventures to come. I've been Geoffrey.
And I'm Eric. And until next time, have a good night. Well,
Have a good night.
that's my Let's Play thing. And until next time, have an adventure.
Do science.